The Spectrum of the Universe by Reverend Angelo Distefano, narrated by Miriam Distefano. As we look at the outer world, we see color everywhere. The colors of the flowers, fish, sky, ocean, and even the colors we wear. The 7 major colors have hundreds of bicolors. There is a color for each day, for each sun sign, and for each spirit. The 7 chakras, or energy zones, within the human being are said to have particular colors. Colors affect every person on this planet. Colors affect our moods, health, and spiritual growth. When we see a rainbow or a spectrum in etched glass, we are looking at the cosmic colors of creation. When a Carillion photograph is taken of a person, you can plainly see the colors reflected in a person's aura, or spiritual energy that surrounds the physical body. You can also see the lack of color in the aura when someone is ill. Color is as much a part of the universe as light. There is white light in all colors, and it is the creative, masculine, positive life force in all nature. Color is white light's feminine, negative, receptive life force. Colors are a reflection of white light's vibration and are produced when passing through the ethers. The speed of light's vibration determines the color of light. Pure polarized light, or ether, is the only energy that is colorless. Anything that consists of matter is light's vibration manifested within. Light possesses atomic energy, in addition to its wave-like or speeding attributes. The 7 major colors that are visible to the human eye are produced by reflected sunlight. However, scientists have found 2 additional colors, infrared and ultraviolet. These colors are actually considered colorless by scientists. They call this the black field. Dr. Walter Russell, famous scientist, artist, and author of the book God is Light, says, "The entire universe consists of dual lights. I see the vibrations of the Father God in the infrared and the vibrations of the Mother God in ultraviolet. These 2 colors we call etheric light or light of the ethers. In astrology, the sun is called the giver of life. The sun also produces infrared and ultraviolet light, which is essential for all growth and reproduction on this planet. Psychologically, The only thing that affects human consciousness as much as light is sound. There are 7 major keys or tones that correspond with the 7 colors. Scientists can measure the speed of tone vibrations and can also measure the speed of colored light. This is how musical notes are divided into color. The 7 chakras respond to the 7 colors and notes of the musical scale. The human body is like a universal harpsichord. When attuned to certain energy, it vibrates and radiates color. Jesus once said, when asked about the human body and why it becomes ill, he replied, the human body is like the strings in a harpsichord. If they are too tense, they can snap and break. If they are too loose, it is weak and out of tune with the universe. Color is a main factor in metaphysical healing. Like chemicals, certain colors can cause harmful reactions when mixed improperly. Black is the absence of color. It absorbs color and should never be worn. All light vibrations of color will be distorted, reversed, and inharmonious with black. Black also reverses the polarity of the sun. This is the reason black heats up so fast in sunlight. Scientists have found a way to measure the speed of light and found it to travel at a speed of 186,000 miles per second. It produces waves that measure 3/100,000ths of an inch on the red light part of the spectrum, and half that measurement on the violet side of the spectrum. Although colored light moves at a speed that can't be seen with the naked eye, its vibration can be heard in a musical note. If we examine the polar regions of our planet, Aurora Borealis, North Pole, and Aurora Australis, South Pole, we find both exhibits the greatest color light show in the world. As different vibrations of light energy enter our atmosphere, it reflects the 7 colors or spirits. When the 7 vibrational relationships of the 7 colors are divided into the 7 energies or the 7 chakras, we see the actual living energy zones of the human existence. Whenever we see beautiful color pictures of birds, flowers, skyscapes, animals, fish, and all of the colorful art created by humanity, I know within the deepest realms of my heart that God is absolutely very much alive, and that He is endless in His awesome creations. Any artist will tell you that the more colors you have to work with, the more vivid the picture can become. Well, God must have one heck of a color palette to choose from. Each time I see a beautiful rainbow, I am reminded of the promise God made to Noah. We hope you enjoyed this lesson on color, and we hope it will cause you to think about the colors you use in your world. May your life be filled with color, light, beautiful sounds, and the fantastic beauty of nature. God bless you and yours with all the colors of joy and happiness.